Hello, this is Pranay Kumar from Earn with Pranav. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to receive videos as they are uploaded. Today I am going to show you a method by which you can reskin and flip apps for a decent income online. So the website that I am going to use is called Chupa Mobile. I'll go to Chupa Mobile. I'll click on Game Templates. Let's see some good game templates. Color shooter, hop. Let's see drift racing or let's see drive and park. Multiple, I'll go for multiple license. Multiple license is $199. Don't worry, with the multiple license, you can reskin the apps and sell it as many times as you like. You can sell 10 copies, 20 copies, 30 copies of the apps by reskinning it. And after you have added it to cart and bought the template, you head over to Fiverr. Fiverr, Fiverr. Head over to Fiverr. And here just type reskin app, reskin app. I will reskin any Android app or Code Canyon app. I will professionally reskin or modify your Android app. For $5, the person has got 15 5-star reviews. Let's see this person. Basic reskin logo, app name, package name, splash screen, add mob. And basic is standard is reskin app name, package name, splash screen, add mob, push notification, etc. So buy this service, have the average skin, and then publish your app in Google Play Store or iOS Play Store as the app is. And then head over to another website called Instagram. Now this is a very important part of reskinning the app. Head over to the website called Instagram. And now search for games. Search for games. Let's see Grand Theft Auto, or let's see this one, Daily Minecraft Meme. So he hasn't got so many followers. Let's go back. Let's see this one. Okay. So now you DM this person, direct message him and ask for a shout out. Now you pay by PayPal so that if there is any fraud or anything, then you can get your money back. And in the shout out, ask this person to put the URL of your app in his URL section, in his URL, and do the shout out. You'll get somewhere between 5 to 10,000 downloads through it. Wait for a few months with the downloads. You'll be earning some money too. Then head over to a website called Flippa. Head over to Flippa. Go for apps. And you can see the various apps that are listed. Let's see this Air Force game. It is a flight simulator. Let's see this one. It's 1 month old with 1,000 plus downloads, and it has been listed for $350. With your 5 to 10,000 downloads, you can safely list it for $500. No worries, and your app will be sold within a week. So you can make many copies of the app, have it reskinned, go to Instagram, have your app promoted, wait for a few months and sell them. This way you can earn a decent income online. So that was the whole method. If you liked my video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. And if you have got any questions, please comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thank you and have a very nice day.